If you're tired of waiting for your air fryer to preheat, constantly shaking baskets halfway through cooking, or ending up with food that's crispy on the outside but dry on the inside, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people buy air fryers expecting convenience, only to discover that many still require extra steps and longer cooking times than advertised. That's where today's product takes a very different approach. Today, we're looking at the T-fal Infrared Air Fryer, a compact air fryer toaster oven combo designed for busy households, couples, small families, and anyone who wants faster cooking without sacrificing quality. What makes this model stand out is its infrared heating technology, which promises quicker heat-up times, more even cooking, and less effort during meal preparation. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is that this air fryer doesn't look oversized or intimidating. Its compact footprint makes it easy to fit into most kitchens without dominating valuable counter space. The black finish gives it a modern appearance, while the digital touchscreen keeps the controls clean and uncluttered. Everything feels thoughtfully arranged, making the appliance approachable even for first-time air fryer users. Build quality feels solid throughout. The cooking chamber is spacious enough for everyday meals without making the appliance unnecessarily bulky. The viewing window is a particularly useful feature because it allows you to monitor food without interrupting the cooking process. In real-world use, small details like this make a noticeable difference because you're not constantly opening the unit and losing heat. What really separates this model from many competitors is the infrared heating system. Rather than relying entirely on traditional heating methods, infrared heat penetrates food differently, helping maintain moisture while still creating a crisp exterior. That might sound like marketing language, but the practical result is surprisingly easy to notice. Foods like chicken, fish, and vegetables tend to retain more juiciness while still developing the texture most people expect from air frying. Performance is where this appliance starts to justify its premium positioning. One of the biggest advantages is speed. The heating element reaches cooking temperatures remarkably fast, which means you spend less time waiting and more time actually cooking. For busy weeknights, that convenience adds up quickly. Whether you're preparing frozen foods, reheating leftovers, or cooking a complete meal from scratch, the faster heat-up time makes the entire process feel more efficient. Another feature that stands out is the no-shake technology. Anyone who regularly uses air fryers knows that many recipes require stopping halfway through cooking to shake or flip food. With this model, the cooking results are generally even enough that constant intervention becomes less necessary. It's a small convenience, but one that genuinely simplifies everyday use. The appliance also deserves credit for how quiet it is. Many air fryers generate noticeable fan noise, especially during longer cooking cycles. The T-fal operates at a surprisingly low noise level, making it less disruptive in open-concept kitchens or smaller apartments. Combined with the touchscreen controls and intuitive presets, the overall user experience feels refined and hassle-free. Of course, there are some trade-offs. The 6-quart capacity works well for couples and small families, but larger households may find themselves cooking in multiple batches. While the infrared technology performs impressively, it may take a few cooking sessions to fully understand how different foods respond compared to traditional air fryers. The price may also be slightly higher than basic models, though much of that cost reflects the unique heating system. Compared with similarly priced air fryers from Ninja, Cosori, and Instant, the T-fal differentiates itself through speed, quiet operation, and its ability to maintain moisture while delivering crisp results. Some competitors offer larger capacities, but few provide the same combination of fast heat-up times and minimal user intervention. Overall, the T-fal Infrared Air Fryer is an excellent option for people who value convenience, speed, and consistently good cooking results. It solves several common frustrations associated with traditional air fryers while remaining easy to use daily. If you're looking for faster meals, quieter operation, and crisp food that doesn't sacrifice moisture, this is definitely a product worth considering. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more honest product reviews, and check the link in the description for current pricing and availability before any promotions change.